Graph x squared over 4 plus y squared over 9 is greater than 1. Let's first take a look at if this was an equation. We have x squared over 4 plus y squared over 9. And let's just assume that it would equal 1. Well, this is the form of an ellipse. And recall that a squared is 4, therefore a is 2. B squared is 9, which would make b equal 3. A is the distance that we're going to travel from the origin left and right, so our ellipse will intersect at -2, 0, +2, 0, and b equals 3 means that the ellipse will intersect the y-axis at +3 and also at -3. Now the ellipse itself is not, the points on the ellipse are not solutions to our inequality because it's not allowed to equal 1. It's everything strictly greater than 1. So when we draw our ellipse, it needs to be a dashed ellipse, not a solid ellipse. So let me move that over a little bit. So roughly there's the graph that we're looking at for the ellipse itself. And now we need to come up with a test point to see if do we shade inside the ellipse or do we shade outside the ellipse. And 0, 0 is a nice point to use. So if I let x be 0, let y be 0, we get 0 plus 0, which is not greater than 1. So therefore we want to shade everything outside of the ellipse. So all points outside the ellipse, not even counting the points on the ellipse, any point that we have shaded makes our inequality a true statement.